Doug Kearney.
Al Filreis.
This is amazing that we're in the same room.
I'm saying this is like universes colliding.
Colliding, I wasn't thinking. I was thinking converge.
Okay, convergence is good.
So you have Sharpened Visions.
I do. And you have ModPo.
And they're different but the same.
I think that they have a symbiotic relationship.
Yeah. We're not being ironic either. We actually feel that.
I really do.
I'll tell you what, you give me an example of how a ModPo person, and we're doing lit crit analysis, right? And yours is a writing workshop. So how can a ModPo person get something from Sharpened Visions?
Well, I think what a ModPo person could do is by taking Sharpened Visions, they won't only experience the kind of craft and technical decisions that oftentimes animate the discussions in ModPo. They won't just think about them as readers, they'll also think about them from the inside out, which I think gives them a different kind of relationship to thinking of not only the poem itself, but the process of the poem.
Right. So ModPo gets to week 8 and 9, especially 9, which is aleatory, chance-generated, constraints, right? And at that point, ModPo people should pause, hit the pause button, and go to your course where you're talking about form as not just free, do whatever you want, but constraint.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? All you have to do, because I did it this morning, is you type into your favorite search engine, Sharpened Visions Coursera, and you actually don't even need Coursera because that's a unique phrase.
Yeah.
Sharpened Vision, you're first, you come up. And for ModPo, modpo.org.
Yep.
And I think we are here to say we are literally, this is not a hologram.
Not at all.
He's in the same room. We're in the same room. We like each other.
Yes, indeed.
Our poetry interests converge, and therefore the people who like ModPo should be the same people who like Sharpened Visions. That's true, right?
I mean, it seems to me that if you're interested in reading it, it might also be interesting to get under the hood and make it,
Totally
So that
agree.
seems to me to be a very good convergence, a kind of a gestalt.
All right. Hang out with the both of us.
Indeed.